Cek masuk ya. Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi. Langsung mulai ya, Bu. Ya. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Today I would like to tell you about my experience, especially that is my experience in IPM. But before I started, first I would like to tell you about IPM first. So, IPM is organization that organization is for student, especially in junior and senior high school grade. And IPM is, if you don't know about IPM is almost similar with OSIS. But if OSIS I think OSIS in all of uh, almost in Indonesia use OSIS, but different with Muhammadiyah school, because Muhammadiyah school have different organization, like in organization for student there is IPM, and then in if the other school using Scout, Muhammadiyah using Hizbul Waton. So in IPM not only there are a lot of grade, there are 5 grade, I'm sorry, not only in school, because IPM have 5 grade. The first grade is pimpinan ranting, the second is pimpinan cabang, the third is pimpinan daerah, the fourth is pimpinan wilayah, and the last is pimpinan pusat. Yeah, so pimpinan ranting is IPM in the school. The grade of this IPM is in school, but IPM is different with OSIS, because IPM have 5 grade and OSIS just maybe OSIS just in their school, in their own school, because uh, very rarely if we see that OSIS from, for example, OSIS from SMA Negeri Gombong with SMA Negeri Karanganyar make a meeting and then make event together. I think that's very rarely. But in IPM, uh, there is pimpinan cabang. So in pimpinan cabang, there are student for from senior high school and junior high school, and they can make event together in pimpinan cabang IPM. Like maybe, I will give an example about event in pimpinan cabang, because actually I have experience about it. And the third, there is pimpinan daerah. Pimpinan daerah is uh, the location of pimpinan daerah is in kabupaten like Kebumen and then Banyumas, and IPM from cabang and from ranting can join with daerah, but they must do some task or selection first, because not all of people can join with pimpinan daerah, because they have uh, I think that have a hard obligation to not because not all of people can do their obligation with perfect. So in IPM there is selection first to join, because that's different. I don't know about OSIS, but I think IPM, if you will join with IPM, you can contact me first, and we can I will give you some test to for you if you want to join. And okay, pimpinan daerah and pimpinan wilayah. Pimpinan wilayah is in province like Central Java and so on. And that's more high than pimpinan daerah, cabang and ranting. And the last is pimpinan pusat. Pimpinan Pusat is the highest grade in IPM, and the location of uh, Pimpinan Pusat is in Yogyakarta. Okay, I think you have know a little bit about IPM, and now I would like to share my experience in IPM. Okay, for example, this is there is there are the training TM1 and the other event, but I would like to what's that? I would like to tell you about the training first. So I think you know about dai. Dai is yeah maybe like ustad if in Indonesia, but dai is the grade of dai is lower than ustad, and in this event we try to share about religion side, like maybe how to speak and then yeah so on, and that is my first experience. And in my first experience uh, I get yeah I get a lot of obligation because at the time I become a ayat. Wait, I forget it. What is ayat, but the task of ayat is I must check people who want to become imam, and then uh, who who is the people who want to speak and so on. And that is the M1. Now that is David, if you know. Yeah, because at the time David joined in IPM also, and yeah, if you want to ask about what is IPM, you can ask with David also, because that is David also. And at the time David joined in IPM with me and with my friends in junior high school. At the time we on eighth grade, and uh, for the first we also confused in IPM because we don't know what is IPM, what is organization, especially for student in junior high school, when at the time we just know about just play game and so on, but we must join in organization. Yeah, but I didn't say if IPM is the better organization in Indonesia, because uh, in Indonesia not only IPM, but there is IPNU, and then PII and so on. Okay. For the next, this is Popdamu. This is our the biggest event for us, because this event okay, this event is for student in Muhammadiyah school in Kebumen, all of Kebumen. And at the time we also confused because this is yeah maybe just fourth or fifth uh, event for us. And at the time uh, we also get the problem like how to get a lot of money for this event, like okay, this event need yeah around 12 million rupiah to make this event. And at the time we just have yeah time around 1 or 2 months, and at the time we want to cancel this event because we don't have any idea. And in this event also when we have 12 million, we also get problem like uh, actually the money is we less of the money, and we need some money again. And we have idea that uh, all of us what must yeah pay some money to give food for the participant. But yeah, alhamdulillah in the last we get 1 million from uh wait I forget PKU or ah okay forget it. And in this event is like Popda, but with okay Popda, but we also like some knowledge like LCC and so on. And yeah, that is our biggest event. Now, for the next in IPM, I also get experience to meet with yeah, I think that's famous people. The name is Daniel Anhar Simanjuntak. If you don't know who is Daniel Anhar Simanjuntak, Daniel Anhar Simanjuntak is the spokesman of Prabowo Subianto. I think if you uh, watch television when pemilu last year, you will see Daniel Anhar Simanjuntak in television like TV1 and so on because uh, he always yeah there is Daniel I think there are Daniel Anhar Simanjuntak in a lot of television channel because at the time he become a spokesman of Prabowo Subianto and he is yeah always there is Daniel Anhar Simanjuntak in television and so in IPM we not only make an event but we also make a pamphlet like Marhaban di Ramadan and then you can see in here and we also make like yeah like webinar that is the name of this event is Unlean with PPIPM and at the time I become moderator in this event and yeah if there is event like maybe Ramadan and then yeah and the other event like that we also make a pamphlet and also make a banner from our okay banner is like nah like that when we will make an event we also make a banner for our yeah like our ident uh okay forget it okay that is my experience in DPM and I also meet with famous people from Indonesia and also we make a pamphlet and yeah of course uh, from this event I get a lot of experience in IPM so yeah I think for me I hope you enjoy with my story thank you for your attention wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Ini stop recording. Oh, lanjut.
Cek. Kembali buat ke PowerPoint-nya berarti balik lagi ke PowerPoint.
Iya, balik lagi berarti yang di share screen ini tadi. Nah,
Ini
ini nih. Nah, ini. Mana PowerPoint-nya mana? Klik share. Ini.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
In this occasion, I will presentation about The Last Samurai and I will presentation about history in The Last Samurai. And the first is this movie tell about the legend of Japan and Japan was born from a sword which
Ulang lagi. I will do presentation.
Jadi nggak ada I will presentation tuh nggak ada ya?
I
I will do
Today I will do presentation about The Last Samurai, and I will tell about history of The Last Samurai. This movie tell about the legend of Japan, and Japan was born from a sword which entered into ocean by some good. And the first battle before battle of Big Big Bison, the first is Battle of Little Bighorn. This battle occurred in 1080 and 76 in 25 until 26 June. And this battle that happened in America, and Nathan Algren is the captain of this battle, and he also get the winner of this battle. And then in this movie there are Katsumoto Marisugu and Nathan Algren. Katsumoto is a samurai in Japan. His job for protect the Kaisar and publics in Japan. And for the Nathan Algren is a captain from America and often to join the several battle. And this movie, Nathan Algren join to Katsumoto Maritsugu become one squad, and in the night when spring happen the treason, and Nathan Nathan help the Katsumoto Marisugu, and then after that in this incident the son from Katsumoto Marisugu is dead because he want to save his father and the people in this occasion. And then after the incident in this part, so Bosin battle that happened in 25 May 180 and 77. This battle is the cause of Katsumoto death, and because of this battle also make the Kaisar aware about himself, because the Kaisar only care about himself, and he also not listen the about what the Katsumoto say to him. So in the last part is when Katsumoto and Nathan is do the battle, and then in this movie also Nathan help the Katsumoto to finally the life of Katsumoto, because Katsumoto very shy about what the happen in this movie. And then because that when Katsumoto was dead, the Nathan Algren come to Kaisar, and he also tell about Katsumoto, and before that the Kaisar not agree with agreement that he was make with America, because he aware if his public feel very bad, and he also cannot make his public comfortable about his Kaisar. And then before the battle finish, Nathan Algren back to the village, and he come to Katsumoto's sister, and in there he start a new life with Katsumoto's sister. And before that, when Katsumoto and Nathan Algren become one in Bosin battle, Nathan Algren also make the strategy if he want the soldier not against together, but become some apart. So because that, Nathan Algren can become the winner in Bosin battle that happened in 25 May 180 and 77. And enough for this presentation about the history. Thank you. And any question for this?
Andi, maybe you can choose your friend to give opinion about this movie. You can choose random from the other group, not only history. You can choose if there is your friend not give question.
Before you give the question, I want some of you, and I will choose. I want some of you to give opinion about history in The Last Samurai. Faisal. Faisal, please give your opinion about The Last Samurai.
Wait. I think not all of the story is based story like Captain Algren. The true name is Jules Brunet. The Lord Katsumoto. The true name is Saigo Takamori. And now Lord Katsumoto also use wear cloth from West and not like in the movie that he used traditional cloth from Japan. Yeah. That's all I think.
And I also want Lukman to explain again about history in The Last Samurai.
Me?
Yes.
The Last Samurai is tell the samurai's rebellion in is that in the 19th century in Japan. That is Meiji Restoration in 18 68 maybe, but that restoration made the samurai feel angry with the emperor and conduct the rebellion. The peak of the rebellion was at 1877 in Kyushu Island. The leader of samurai, the samurai is I forget, Saigo Takamori. Yeah, and the name of that battle is Shiroyama. In the Shiroyama, all of the samurai attacked one of the castle. It attacked one of emperor castle, and all of the samurai were dead. And the samurai era has ended at the time. I think just that.
And I have the last question for Kayla.
I think Kaiser fighting just use samurai and bow not revolt when village has too much kabuki show. Suddenly a group of ninja infiltrated and want to kill Kasumoto. And Kasumoto caught by Omura. Omura tell to Kasumoto to do seppuku. Seppuku is ritual suicide by samurai of Japan to restore good name. I think just it.
Any question from the other participant? Halo. Do you have the question to ask for me?
Aku din. Main din. Richard.
Okay.
Wait. Samurai have principle, that is principle Bushido, and you can explain that principle, because that principle make a samurai very disciplined. You can explain about Bushido.
Because he also make the rule from cut. About the rule in what the Katsumoto was do, because this rule also make Katsumoto become the people that have the good attitude, and he also have the make the country in Japan more comfortable, and also he not don't want if he feel shy about what he do until he not like about this, not like if he do the file about anything.
Thank you.
Maybe from the other participant will add will add again and explain again about the question from Rijal.
In grup sosial budaya.
Maybe from Nisa. Nisa.
Wait. You can skip for
Nisa. Your voice not clearly. For the other participant who will give the other question. Nggak tahu. Any question for this history? If no question from history, I think enough and will continue in religion aspect. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Enggak. Ya. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Waalaikumsalam.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Yeah, in this opportunity, I will tell you about religious values in a film by the name of The Last Samurai. I think in this film, not many religious values. Maybe after me watch this film last night, there are many historical value, culture value, and social value. And the first, religious value. At 33 minutes, we can see that Nathan cared for by Taka, which her husband kill. Uh, hmm, hello. Yeah, and then we can see that Nathan cared for by Taka, which her husband killed by Traka. But Taka keep taking credit for him. According me or my opinion, it is true. Why? Because in our religion or another religion, we are taught to help each other and help people who are trouble. When we trouble, when uh, we are in trouble, maybe there is people who help us because human is social creatures. That is they cannot live alone or individually. And then the next is 42 minutes should we can see that Nathan or Captain Algren went to temple Buddhist Buddhist people, and Nathan si Katsumoto is praying, and then Nathan seemed disrespect to Katsumoto. Maybe or I think should have I think Nathan should have respected Katsumoto when he prayed, because as we know in our religion we are taught to respect people who pray or worship, although we different religious. Uh, and then the next is at 1 hour 2 minutes there is incident where Captain Algren apologized to Taka because he has kill kill her husband, and Taka forgive him. Uh, maybe or my opinion, it is true because in our religion we are taught uh, to apologize and forgive or forgive each other. And then in the last there is incident where Nathan and Katsumoto were friends. At first they were enemies, but now they are like friends. Maybe according me it is true because as we know that our religion or another religion not taught us to hostile. Uh, maybe I think enough for me. Uh, I want to you to give your opinion. Maybe I will choose one. Uh, Arif to give your opinion. Yeah.
Cek.
Yeah.
What?
I want to you give your opinion about religious values.
religion.
Film. Yeah, in this film.
Yeah. My opinion is in this film, I thought Nathan didn't care about religion when he went to Japanese temple. And in Japanese temple, there is something that is spiritual in that place.
Okay, then
Okay, it's enough.
yeah. Okay, thank you. Maybe I will choose one uh, to give opinion or
Explain about the part.
huh?
Jadi kayak jelasin partnya yang pas bagian mana sih ya gitu. Misal. Terus kamu tinggal aja.
Maybe I will choose one of you to give your opinion. Maybe Adi, you can tell us to your opinion.
Check.
Yeah.
Actually, I don't know the religion of Katsumoto.
Huh?
Adi nggak tahu no. Your opinion. Nggak boleh jawab. No.
Oh, you.
There is answer no. There is answer no. Please give your opinion.
Okay, there is answer no. You can give your opinion. Adi.
Okay. I think the Katsumoto religion he is a Buddhist people. I think.
And then other opinion.
And that's very peace.
Oh. Terus udah. Hah? Udah. Sama.
Nonton filmnya nggak kemarin?
Saya.
Adi.
I don't know.
Nonton.
Have you finished watching this movie, Adi? You finished watching this movie, Adi? Adi. Terserah.
Yeah. Maybe there is question.
Yeah.
Hello.
I will add the opinion.
Yeah.
The religious from the Kaisar, who like still young in determining every policy. When Algrin give the katana or pedang, what is pedang? Which representation of Kusumoto samurai clan who has died in battlefield.
Okay. Maybe and then the other opinion.
Yeah.
Choose. Maybe I will choose one to give your opinion. Maybe Nurlita, you can give your opinion about this film. Hello, Norlita, you can give your opinion about this film.
Huh? Uh, Maybe I think, like you say, have the movie have a good leadership spirit and also a religious side that helps each other. Enough.
Okay, and then maybe the other opinion, uh, or any question? Hmm?
Let's give question for David.
Give a
Give question for David.
question.
Jadi mereka suruh tanya ke kamu.
Oh, my please give your question for me. Maybe the other question.
Me.
Ah, yeah.
What is your opinion about Shinto?
Huh? Shinto. Kami Shinto.
Karena itu kan keturunan dari Amar Umi makanya ada pada saat itu mereka akhirnya
Uh, hmm, I think
you can read.
huh?
Yes, you can read.
Uh, uh, maybe or I think Shinto is uh, 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 sorry, Shinto. Huh? Maybe there is you can help me to answer this question. Hmm. Oh. Hmm. Maybe the other person to help me because I don't know about Shinto. What is Shinto?
Maybe you can just
Uh, maybe or I think Shinto is one of religion in Japan. Uh, and this way and this religion maybe have uh, what's that unique unique yeah. Hmm? Huh? Lukman, maybe you can uh, repeat your question.
Yes. What is your opinion about Shinto?
Shinto. Uh, Maybe Shinto is one of religion in Japan, and in uh, this religious uh, mm, in this god in Shinto, famous is Ujigami, and this Shinto religion uh, not have what's that uh, maybe in this religion not have spiritual maybe I think this my opinion.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, maybe I think enough for me. If there is a mistake, I apologize. Thank you very much for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this occasion, I will explain you about the social and culture in movie. The title is The Last Samurai. In movie The Last Samurai, there are two countries different. It is American and Japan. The culture American and Japan is different. Nathan Algren is captain from America. He didn't believe God, the culture, or habit. He always drinks sake to keep calm himself. Nathan said that the meaning of the samurai is serve. In Japan, if there is people defeat of the battle, that Sam will treat himself, and he will do suicide. For example, he will chop his head with samurai, but there is no that culture in Battle of American. And then if Japanese people dead in battle, he will get the honorable death. The social culture in American, if Nearest people want to the American people introduce, the people must introduce himself because the people, if the people not introduce himself, this same like he impolite. From child in ancient culture of Japan, the childhood learn to use samurai to fighting. In movie, Nathan said that all of people in there is very interesting, like always polite, smile, bow, devote themselves to the perfection of their work, and have a big discipline. And that movie, there are two groups. It is ancient culture of Japan and modern culture of Japan. When we'll do battle, the ancient culture will just use traditional weapon like samurai and arrow. But different of the modern culture of Japan, if they will do battle, he will use modern culture, modern weapon like use Mariam and gun. I think enough for me. If there is question, please open your microphone.
Me.
Yeah.
Why Japanese soldier believe that die more better than surrender?
Yeah, because Japanese people, if he defied of the battle, he seem like treat himself, and yeah, be better to do suicide than life. Any question again? I want to ask Chancy. Chancy? Chen? Chancy?
Yeah.
How your opinion
Yeah.
about the culture and social in movie The Last Samurai?
I think from this film has the different individualism and provide that modern weapons. I think that's it.
Yeah. Any question from me? Any question?
Tentang apa budaya apa sih yang ada di film itu kayak itu, ada nggak yang kasih opini lain kayak gitu?
Oh.
Dari kamu dari sisi apa ya? Kan nyatanya dari sisi senjata kan.
Iya.
Nah mungkin mereka melihat ada sisi lain sih yang budaya Jepang yang kental di film itu apa kayak gitu.
Iya. There is there is want to give opinion about social and culture in The Last Samurai. Itu Bu.
Tunjuk aja.
Kenapa?
Tunjuk aja.
Oke. Nisa,
Yeah.
what's your opinion about the social and culture in movie The Last Samurai?
Yeah, maybe in that movie, to keep their honor, they willing to doing seppuku or suicide ritual rather than die is dishonorable because lose from the battle.
Yeah. The other participant. Is there any opinion again?
Can I ask you?
What?
Can I ask you?
Yeah.
What is the most honorable social structure in Japan, and what is your opinion about the Japanese social structure?
Yeah, the Japanese social structure is very good because this have a big discipline, and yeah, that is a culture of Japan because if there is people died in battle, it is a honorable death. Just it.
Okay.
Any question again? Hello. Good. I think enough for me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Ya. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Now I will
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi.
Now I will talk about solar system. Maybe you have now solar system. Yeah, solar system is collection of space object which are around the sun. Solar system location in one of galaxy which there are in universe named Galaxy Bima Sakti. Solar system consists from sun. Sun as center of solar system which bigger and hotter. For Earth, sun is very important to live. And there are planet. Planet is space object which not issue hot or light. Planet rotation and revolution around sun with orbit which different. There are 8 planets in our solar system. In the first, Mercury. Mercury is small planet in solar system and this hottest planet. Temperature in there 450 degree. Maybe you can image. This because clouds from sun. Mercury need time 88 day to revolution and 59 day to rotation. And there are Venus. Venus is second planet from Sun. This space object brings us after Sun and Moon. Its shape, size, and gravitation is similar with Earth. Venus often called bintang fajar because look brilliant when down. Next, Earth. Earth is where we live now. Earth third planet from Sun. Earth only planet have a living thing. Earth now blue planet because consists from 30% daratan and 70% sea. Earth need time 365 day to revolution and 24 to rotation. Next, Mars. Mars is small planet after Mercury. Mars called red planet because look red when see from naked eye. Scientists say if Mars can be inhabited people, but until now I don't know the truth. Next, Jupiter. Jupiter is large planet in solar system. Jupiter need time 12 years to revolution and 9.8 to rotation. Next, Saturn. Saturn is second large planet after Jupiter and this beautiful planet because have a ring around the planet. Next, Uranus. Uranus include third planet from third large planet after Mercury and Saturn. Uranus often called a cold planet because temperature in there minus 224 degree. Maybe you can image. In the last there are Neptune. Neptune is father's planet from Sun, and this often called windy planet because have a storm which often happen. And then there are asteroid. Asteroid is space object which smaller from planet and made from dust and ice. And there are comet. Comet is tailed star which grow because reflect sunlight. Comet made from dust, ice, and frozen gas. Based from location, planet divided by two. Planet inside and outside. Planet inside is planet orbit planet location in between Sun and asteroid belt, namely Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars. And planet outside is planet orbit planet location in outside asteroid belt, namely Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Then period revolution. Revolution is time be required planet to rotate sun. Result from revolution is happen changing season, happen movement pseudo yearly sun, and there are different daytime and night. Next, rotation. Rotation is time to be required planet to rotate on axis. result from rotation is there are daytime and night. Uh, uh, Movement pseudo daily sun and different time. I think enough. Any question?
Kasih pertanyaan ke teman-teman.
Good.
Teman-temannya yang bertanya.
Any question?
Sakif.
Yeah.
At the time, Pluto is included in this planet. At the time, Pluto is included as a planet, but why now Pluto is not included as a planet?
Because Pluto is orbit Pluto have terlalu fathers, so not include now.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. Next. Next. Hello. Next. Enough.
Ako na
Yeah, Rijal.
Is it true that Mars can be a place of life? Because many issue that Mars can be a place to live.
What?
And why Mars can to live according your opinion?
Repeat.
What's true? What's true that Mars can be a place of life? Because I think many issue that Mars can be a place to live. And opinion about Mars can as a life to humans.
Hello.
Yeah.
Repeat the question.
What is true that Mars can be place of life?
Yeah.
Because I think many issue that Mars can be a place to live.
Yeah.
And why Mars can
Why Mars
uh, can become left to human?
Why Mars can left to human? Because Mars maybe scientists have meneliti, so probably in Mars can be inhabited people. Ya. Dah. Next.
Me.
Yeah.
What is the farthest flying object in the space that has been made by human, and how that flying object can fly in space? Thank you.
What? Repeat.
What is the
What is
farthest flying object in the space that has been made by human, and how that flying object can be fly?
why playing object can be fly?
Kutulis.
Oh ya. Faisal. Belum lagi ditulis. Gimana? Enggak, chat. Ya, chat. Mau lewat chat. Iya, tadi udah nulis.
Itu udah.
Ini. Iya. What is the flying object in the space made by human, and how that flying object can fly in the place? Maybe who made who made have think I cannot answer. You can help me? The other participant can help me for question Faisal. Farthest terjauh. Farthest terjauh. Flying object in langit bahwa dibuat oleh manusia dan bagaimana flying object can fly in the space.
Ya, dan bagaimana
Itu terbang, can fly in.
apa ya? Intinya pertanyaannya Mars ya, bukan cuma human ya, terus anjingnya kan juga ada anjingnya itu namanya anjing.
Not
You try answer. Coba kamu coba jawab pertanyaannya Faisal. I will try to answer your question, Faisal.
I won't try to answer Faisal. Maybe maybe in space, no, there are gravitation, so can fly. Objek dibuat oleh manusia.
Dia terpartisipan ada yang bisa.
The other participant maybe can help me.
Yeah.
Ya, Bude.
What?
Faisal question.
What is the farthest flying object in space that has been made by human? I think the farthest flying object in the space that has been made by human is spacecraft or Mars rover that sent into the Mars to their researches.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay.
Faisal, enough?
Yeah, okay.
Yeah. Next or enough? Next
Me, me,
question.
me, me.
Yeah. Next.
Me.
Yeah.
Aku.
Yeah.
Cek.
Yeah. Faris ya.
You know in space there is a sun and the other stars, and why in space dark, not like in earth? Why
Why? In space not like
in space dark,
in space dark.
but in space there is sun?
Yeah. Then Faris. Repeat. Repeat question.
Why in
Why
space so
in space
dark, and but
dark,
in space there is sun? Why?
but in space there is sun?
In earth so light, but in space it's dark. Why?
Dark. Maybe you can write in chat. Dark.
DARK gelap. Dark mau gelap.
Apa ya? Halo. Nah. You know is display there is sun and other star, but kenapa di space itu gelap? Kenapa?
Di ruang angkasa itu kan ada matahari, ada bintang yang bikin terang, tapi
Iya.
di atas itu gelap.
Terima kasih, Bu Gun.
Kenapa? Karena nggak ada atmosfer.
Oh, because no there are atmosphere. Yeah. That's it.
Ya, oke.
Enough? Enough ya. Ya. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
biar Bang salah satu stop recording, stop share dulu. Stop share terus ini stop recording.
Iya nih.
Iya.